Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to find out some derivatives related to trigonometry functions. Question number 1. Find the derivative of cos x plus y equals to y sin x. So, students, this is a question. Cos x plus y in bracket equals to y sin x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So minus sine x plus y. Now we have to find out derivative of x plus y, student, using chain law here, equals to sine x as it is. We are going to use product rule, students, here. Sine x as it is, dy by dx of y plus y as it is, dy by dx of sine x. Okay, students. So minus sine x plus y, x differentiation 1, y differentiation we can write as it is dy by dx equals to sine x. Differentiation of y will be written as it is dy by dx plus y sin x differentiation cos x. Now, student, we have to simplify. First of all, we have to open the bracket here. 1 multiplied by sine x plus y. So it will become minus sine x plus y. When we open the bracket, its sign will be changed. Minus dy by dx will be multiplied by sine x plus y. So dy by dx sine x plus y equals to sine x dy by dx plus y cos x. Okay, students. Now, students, we will take like terms together. Dy by dx will be transferred this side, student, and y cos x will transfer this side. So minus sin x plus y and y cos x will be negative now. Minus y cos x equal to this dy by dx term will be transferred this side. So it will become plus sin x plus y dy by dx into plus sin x dy by dx. So here dy by dx we can take common, student. Then left part sin x plus sin x plus y. So dy by dx equals to minus, we can take common this side, minus sin x plus y cos x in bracket upon sin x plus sin x plus y. Okay, student. Student, one more question. Find the derivative of sin square x plus 2 cos xy plus xy equal to 0. Now, student, we have to differentiate it both sides with respect to x. So its derivative, first of all, we have to find the derivative of power. So sin x will be supposed as x to the power n formula we have to use. 2x 2 minus 1 means its derivative 2 sin x. Now, student, we have to find out derivative of sin x plus 2 as it is. Derivative of cos first. Cos and xy will be supposed as x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. So 2 minus sin xy. Now we have to find out derivative of xy, student. Plus this xy derivative, we are going to use product law here. Y derivative of x1 plus x as it is, derivative of y dy by dx equals to 0. Now, students, 2 sin x as it is, derivative of sin x cos x minus 2 sin xy, its derivative we are going to use product rule here. So y as it is, derivative of x1 plus x as it is, derivative of y dy by dx. And this part will remain as it is, y plus x dy by dx equals to 0. Now students, 2 sin x cos x as it is, minus 2y sin xy. We have to open the bracket, y multiplied by 2 sin xy. Outside minus, then sign will be changed, minus 2x sin xy dy by dx plus y plus x dy by dx equal to 0. 2 sin x cos x minus 2y sin xy plus y, and these dy by dx terms will be transferred this side, students. So minus 2x sin xy dy by dx will be positive, 2x sin xy dy by dx, and this part also will transfer this side, minus x dy by dx. Okay student. Now student, we can take common here, dy by dx is common. 2x sin xy minus x, and this side term will remain as it is. Dy by dx equals to sin 2x minus 2y sin xy plus y upon 2x sin xy minus x. Okay students. Good morning students. Now students, we are going to solve questions based on inverse trigonometric function, and we have to find out its derivatives. So today we are going to learn how can we find out derivative of inverse trigonometric function. Differentiate sine inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. X lies between 0 and 1. We have to find out its derivative, student. So y equals to sine inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square given. In previous classes we learned the derivation of differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. So students, we are going to use here inverse trigonometric formula. We know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Then we can write sine inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So the same identity we are going to use here. This is sine inverse, the whole part, this one is supposed as x. So we are going to use here sine inverse x formula. Sine inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. At the place of x we have to write this value, student. Then y equals to pi by 2 minus, this is the identity of 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square when mod of x less than 1. So that's why we are going to use here, we are going to write here 2 tan inverse x. Now students, we have changed this complex inverse function into simplest one. Now student, we can find out its derivative differentiating both sides with respect to x. So y derivative dy by dx, pi by 2, 0 because it is constant, student. That's why its derivative is 0, minus 2, and tan inverse for x derivatives yesterday we proved 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx equals to minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. This is the answer, student. Now students, next question. Differentiate cos inverse 2x root 1 minus x square with respect to x, where x belongs to minus 1 upon root 2 and 1 upon root 2. So students, generally this also we are going to find out. the help of inverse trigonometric function. So we have to simplify it first. To simplify it, we are going to putting x equal to sin theta. Then theta equals to sin inverse x. So let's put here at the place of x sin theta. So y equals to cos inverse 2 sin theta root 1 minus sin square theta. Here theta, students, sin theta root 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta. And square and radical sign will be cancelled. 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta equals to sin 2 theta. So it will become y equals to sin cos inverse sin 2 theta. Now student, this identity we are going to use here again. At the place of cos inverse x, we can write pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So at the place of cos inverse, this part is supposed as x. So it can be written pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. At the place of x, we will write sin 2 theta. So sin inverse sin theta, we know it is theta. That's why it will become y equals to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now students, we have supposed x equal to sin theta, then theta equals to sin inverse x. Now students, we have to replace theta by sin inverse x. So replacing theta equals to sin inverse x, so y equals to pi by 2 minus 2 sin inverse x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx equals to, at this place we will write 0, minus 2, its derivative 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So dy by dx equals to minus 2 root 1 minus x square. Now student, one more question of inverse trigonometric function. We have to find out its derivative. Differentiating cot inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. So let's suppose y equals to cot inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. So this complex inverse trigonometric function we have to convert into simplest trigonometric function, student, first. So we have to think about what we will suppose x, so that this inverse trigonometric function will be changed into simplest one. So I am going to suppose x equal to tan theta, because we know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, that's why. So putting x equal to tan theta equals to tan inverse x. Okay students, so y equals to cot inverse, at the place of x we are going to write tan theta, student. Cot inverse root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. We know that 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Square and radical sign will be cancelled, student. Cot inverse sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now let's change into sin and cos. You know that sin and cos are our best helpers. So in trigonometry, so change into sin cos. We know that sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta minus 1 as it is. Tan theta we can write sin upon cos. Let's take LCM. So it will become 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta upon sin upon cos theta cancel. Then it will become 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Okay students, we know that, student, 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Students, there are 3-4 identities of cos theta. Cos theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So then 2 sin square theta by 2 equals to 1 minus cos theta. At the place of 1 minus cos theta, we can write 2 sin square theta by 2. And at the place of sin theta, we can write 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 to cancel. 1 sin cancel. Sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. Cot theta by 2. Sin upon cos, tan theta by 2. So cot inverse tan theta by 2. So y equals to pi by 2 minus tan inverse tan theta by 2. Here we have used the identity tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. So at the place of cot inverse x, we can write pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. So that's why I have written here pi by 2 minus tan inverse tan theta by 2. Tan inverse tan theta by 2 equals to theta by 2. So y equals to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Replacing theta by tan inverse x. So at the place of theta, we can write tan inverse x. So y equal to pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Now we have to differentiate, student. So dy by dx equals to pi by 2, differentiation 0. 1 by 2 tan inverse x derivative 1 upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx equals to minus 1 upon 2 1 plus x square in bracket. Okay students. Okay then students. Have a nice day.